Assalamualaikum everyone. Today is March 18 and today is Tuesday. Time check Pakistan time is 3 p.m. and today is 17th days Ramadan fasting. So today my recipe is I'm going to make chicken clay. So I have chicken here. This is I think 1.5 kilogram chicken, whole chicken, and I have lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds, and garlics, onions, tomatoes, and little bit ginger. So I'm going to start now saute these onions, then garlics, then ginger, tomatoes. And today is today is 17 days Ramadan, Alhamdulillah. Time flies very fast, sorry. And 12 days more before Eid. So, of course, we have to cook every day because we are fasting, so must need to cook foods viand every day. Now, let's start saute now first onions. Now, you can put now also this garlics. Always cooking, everyday cooking, unending cooking. If there is leftover, then I will not cook, but no more leftover. Yesterday, I cook only paksiw, so that is for me. And there is also 3 pieces of fried fish. So must be I have to cook today because we are fasting and we have to eat dinner, and not only for dinner, for tomorrow series suhoor. Walang katapusang pagluluto. Sana hindi kayo magsawa na manood ng aking everyday cooking or vlog. Everyday cooking vlog. Kasi kung hindi ako maggawa ng content, wala akong mai-upload sa YouTube. Dapat kasi active ka sa YouTube na mag-upload everyday. So, pabalik-balik ang luto. Luto. Hanggang may buhay, magluto. Kung may lulutuin, diba? Now, garlics and onions is already brown. Now, we can put now this masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. And then we can add now also these lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, and ginger. To be followed by slices of tomatoes, green chilies. Optional, if you want to put green chilies, you can put it. If you don't like chili, then it's no problem. Then we have to wait these tomatoes until become paste. Then we have to put chicken one by one. And I will cook chicken clay instead of chicken curry. Chicken curry is different from chicken clay or beef clay or mutton clay. Because chicken curry, you have to add or put more gravies. This chicken clay is not too much gravy. It's like adobo. Tomatoes is almost paste, but we have to cook more. Yun bang durog na durog ang kamatis para masarap, maganda yung pagkaluto ng chicken clay. we have to add little bit water to avoid burning, just little bit. And the best partner of this one is chapatis, but for me is rice. Rice is life. Kasi pag kumakain ako ng chapati, parang hindi ako nabubusog. Nagugutom ako palagi. Baliktad naman sila dito kasi pagkakain daw sila ng kanin, nagugutom sila kaagad. Pero ako naman, pagkakain ako ng chapati, nagugutom ako kaagad. Para bang wala akong lakas. Siguro ganyan na ang ano natin kasi nakasanayan na natin kumain ng kanin. Kahit dito ako sa Pakistan, ano pa rin, hinahanap ko pa rin ang kanin. Kumakain naman ako ng chapati pero ano, sa umaga pag walang kanin, pero kanin talaga. Ang parata, makain ako minsan, tapos yung chapati. Pero isa lang yung aking makain or 1.5. Marami na yung 2. Hindi ko maubos yung 2 chapatis. So this is already paste. Now we can put now 1 by 1 this chicken. Ayan. Isa-isa. Pa-isa-isa. Isang buo na manok ito. Siguro more than 1.5 kilogram ito. Ang mahal lang kilo ng ng chicken, I think sabi ni Fahad ay 500 plus rupees yata. So ewan ko lang diyan sa Pilipinas kung magkano ang kilo diyan. Pag ang 1 kilo ay nasa 500, nasa 100 pesos diyan. So pag may sobra ito, hindi na ako magluluto bukas. Para maka-rest naman, rest. Yan. So i-cover natin. Saan na ba yung cover? Now let's check. Ayan o, nag-gravy na. Kasi yung kamatis, bawang sibuyas, ayan, nag-gravy na. Pero hindi pa ito luto. Hilaw pa ang chicken. Need more time to cook. Maybe 30 minutes more. Ayan o, may kinuha nila kay doon sa baba. Organic na parsley o kaya coriander leaves. Fresh na fresh o. Ilalagay ko ito topping sa dyan sa chicken clay. Now this is already cooked. Now we have to put now toppings, coriander leaves. This is fresh from our garden, organic coriander leaves. I make another kind of pakora, slices of potatoes, onions, then green chilies, coriander leaves, and then we put what you call this, basil or chickpeas powder, and chili powder, salt. So this is dry. So we make again pakora because how many days I did not make? For 3 to 4 days I think. Now this is ready to fry now. Frying now pakoras. Our dinner and iftari for 17th days Ramadan fasting is ready. I have leftover yesterday paksiw, leftover rice. This is chicken clay, dates, sharbat or juice with tukmalanga seeds, pakoras, chapatis, fruit chat, leftover yesterday fried rice and chutneys.